In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an exception in Norton 360. If you ever find yourself in a situation where Norton flags a file or program you know is safe, adding an exception is the way to resolve that issue. I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure your experience is smooth and straightforward. First, let's get started by opening the Norton app. If Norton 360 is installed on your computer, you can usually find it in your system tray in the lower right corner of your desktop. Look for the iconic Norton logo, which resembles a shield. Clicking on this will open up the main interface of the application. Once you have the Norton app open, we're ready to dive into the settings. At the top of the interface, you should see a toolbar. Click on the Settings option. This is where you'll find various customization options for your Norton software. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you need to navigate to Features. In this section, Norton provides various tools and functionalities that enhance and protect your system. Click on Features to expand your options. Next, you'll want to find and click on Antivirus. This is a crucial step because, by default, Norton is set up to ensure your system's safety by actively scanning for potential threats. Through this session, we'll be able to modify how Norton handles certain files you trust. With the Antivirus tab open, look for the option called Exclusions. By clicking on Exclusions, you are accessing Norton settings for managing specific files or programs that you want the antivirus to ignore. This is especially useful if Norton consistently flags a file or a program you need for work or personal use. Inside the Exclusions section, you'll find varying options for adding file or folder exclusions. Follow the on-screen instructions to add the specific file or folder you wish to exclude from future scans. Ensure that you've double-checked the file path and that you're confident this file is safe. It's essential to only exclude items you trust, as this could potentially expose your system to risks if mismanaged. And with that, you have successfully added an exception in Norton 360. This process enables you to keep using the files and programs you trust without interference from Norton's security protocols. Remember to periodically review your exclusions list to ensure everything still meets your security standards. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and don't hesitate to subscribe for more guides and tips on managing your technology with ease and confidence. See you next time.